Hello everyone. So today we will learn what is the flow of execution in a function call. So first of all, what does this mean? The flow of execution, it refers to the order in which the statements are executed during a program run. Suppose in a program there is a function as well as the other statements, right? So we want to know what is the order in which the statements are executed, means which statement will execute first and then second. What is the order of the flow of the statements, right? When we define a function in a program. So the program structure is like this. First of all, the definition of the function. This is the definition of the function, right? Then after the function definition, the main program starts, right? So what is the order of the flow of statements? One thing you need to keep in mind is that the execution of the program starts from the main block, right? So the first statement that will be executed is this one, then this, right? So what is happening in this statement? This is a function call. When we invoke a function or when we call a function, then control passes to the location where the function is defined. So this function is defined where? It's defined here, right? When this statement is executed, this is a function call, so the control passes to the function definition over here and it executes this function, right? When this function is executed, this whole function after the last statement, this is return statement, then control will transfer back to the main block, to the next statement in the main block, right? So let us do with the help of an program. The program is to add numbers using function. We can add two numbers without using function, right? It is a simple program, but here we are learning how to add two numbers with the help of an function. So first of all, we had created a function which will do the sum of two numbers. Name of the function is calculate sum, right? We are passing two values x and y. Then here is a column, so function definition starts from here. The first statement is s is equals to x plus y. Then the next statement is return s. So the function definition ends over here, right? Then the next statements are num1 is equals to this. We are using input function to enter the value of num1, right? The user will enter this value. Then likewise num2, user will enter the value of second variable named num2, right? Next is sum. Sum is equal to, what we are doing here we are calling the function named calculate sum. The next is the print statement, right? So this is our program. Now we want to know which statement will be executed first, right? So this is the function definition, right? It will be only executed when we call this function. So this thing will not be executed first, right? So the very first statement is this one. This statement will be executed first, right? The main part of the program starts from here, right? This is the first statement, num1. The user will enter the value of num1. Suppose the user entered 10, right? So num1 is equals to 10. This is the second statement, num2. So suppose we entered 14.2. Now the value of num2 is 14.2, right? Then third statement to be executed is this one, sum is equal to. What is here? This is a function call. So the control will transfer to the location where this function is defined. The compiler will search, right? So the function is defined over here. So the control will pass to this location, right? So what will happen over here? What it will be carrying? The value of num1 and num2. Okay? So the value of num1 and num2 will be copied in these variables. X is equal to num1, y is equal to num2. So x is equal to 10, y is equals to 14.2. Then the next statement is s is equal to x plus y, right? So s is equal to 24.2. Then return s. This is the last statement. So when we came back from here to the main program, we will be carrying with the value of s, because there is a return statement, right? So what will be carrying the value of s? That is 24.2, right? So here 24.2 will come. The value of sum is equals to 24.2, right? The next statement is print statement. What it will be do? The sum of two given number is 24.2, right? So this is the order of flow of statements in a program where we are using functions. One thing you need to keep in mind is function will be executed only when it will be called, right?